Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you have JBL Charge 4 or JBL Charge 567 and sometimes your JBL is not charging, sometimes you are stuck. How to fix this problem if your JBL speaker is not charging. In this video we will see one of the important tips and tricks. Using these tips and tricks, definitely you can solve the problem and very easily charge your JBL speaker. So now let's start demonstration. This is my JBL Charge 4 and couple of days I'm facing the problem and my JBL speaker is not charging. So I fixed this problem using one of the tips and tricks, and that one is definitely everyone are helping this process. First of all, you need to turn it on. So this is the turn it on your JBL speaker. Currently this battery is full. Last night, entire night I charge and then charge this one. Previously is not charging. And next thing, you need to press here Bluetooth button. You need to press here the power and the volume key as a addition button. This one, press both as a simultaneously around 10 seconds. Like you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and afterward you just press here and then you need to connect here. Afterward you need to connect here the charging pin, and afterwards the charging is a start. So this is the one of the easiest and simple process if you have JBL Charge 4, or I think so other products also charge 2 3 4 5 6 7. So accordingly, if your product is not charging, so you can apply these tips and tricks and definitely your problem is solved. Hope you enjoy. If you really like these tips and tricks, before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.